Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's word of the day is arm. It's an A1 level noun that refers to a part of the body from the shoulder to the hand. Simple yet so important, right? Let's break it down. The arm is essential for so many daily activities like lifting, holding, writing, and even giving a warm hug. It's a word we use often, so understanding it is a must for building your English skills. Some synonyms for arm include limb, although this refers to the entire appendage, and upper limb, which is a more technical term. For example, you could say, "She rested her limb on the table while reading," or "The doctor examined his upper limb for injuries." These examples show how the synonyms can fit into sentences, though you might not use them as often in casual conversation. Now for antonyms. While there isn't a direct opposite for arm, you could think about words like leg, which refers to the lower appendage of the body. For example, "He broke his leg, but his arm was fine." This contrast helps distinguish between the upper and lower parts of the body. In everyday life, the word arm pops up all the time. You might say, "I carried the groceries in my arms," or "She wore a bracelet on her arm." It's also part of many expressions like to arm oneself, meaning to prepare or equip, or to give your right arm for something, which means to want something very badly. Let's look at a few more examples in sentences. He stretched out his arm to grab the book. The child held on tightly to her mother's arm. She wore a watch on her left arm. These simple examples show just how common this word is in everyday language. To wrap things up, today we learned that the word arm refers to the part of the body from the shoulder to the hand. We explored some synonyms like limb and upper limb, as well as contrasted it with leg. We also saw how it fits into daily conversations and common expressions. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this and want to keep expanding your vocabulary, be sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. I'd love to hear how you use today's word in your own sentence. Share your example in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and keep speaking.